Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play PlayStation 1 games on your PC. So let's get started right away. In order to play PlayStation 1 games on your PC, you will need to use an emulator such as RetroArch. Now we already have a video on how you can install this emulator on your PC, but for a shortcut, just go into retroarch.com using your web browser, and then from the home page you can click on the Get RetroArch option. Now after choosing the version that you wish, the download will begin, and you can simply open up the installer and click through the next buttons to install it. Once the emulator has been installed, you can simply open it up and you will be taken to the main menu. From here, just click on Load Core and click on Download a Core. Now within the core list, you will see various different cores, and core simply means the various different consoles. Now from this page, you will simply need to search for a PlayStation. Once you find Sony PlayStation, you can simply choose your preferred engine, as there are various different kinds of cores. After choosing your desired core, it will begin downloading right away. And now you will see a hashtag alongside this core. You can now go back to the main menu, and from the load core option, you can simply choose your preferred core and then choose your preferred content, and this core will be chosen right away. After this, you can choose the content for the appropriate core in order to start playing the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to play PlayStation 1 games on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.